Wouldn't it be crazy to travel all the way to Iceland and not experience the highest rated food tour in the world?
That would be crazy.
I think so too, because you don't want to be this guy.
Jeez, is this what they really eat in Iceland?
Well, sometimes, but let me tell you about the real Icelandic food scene. The seafood, caught this morning. And the lamb here, raised locally, baby. And the chefs here are on another level. Iceland's food scene is mwah! And you will experience all that on the tour. But the Reykjavik Food Walk is about so much more than just the food. You'll meet new friends. You'll explore our vibrant city and visit some of the best hidden local spots to try incredible Icelandic foods. Our tour is always hosted by a super fun and local guide. And some would even say they're pretty good looking. Oh hi, I'm Guðni, your guide today. If you don't believe us, you can ask any of the 17,000 guests that have joined the tour and giving it a perfect 5-star rating. It does sell out in advance, so book your tickets now and get excited.
I'm booking my ticket right now.
Nice. I'll see you in Iceland.